Well, today is June 14th and it's been a while. We haven't really used the camera that much, and then we're having computer issues and things just weren't happening, especially with vlogging. So I guess we'll take you around and do a little update. And I think from the last video, it's also like 20 degrees hotter outside. So that's a whole nother thing.
So the last time in the master bathroom, I think there was no bathroom, there was a hole in the floor. But since then we got the floor put in, got new plugins and everything ready to be wired in. And then we finally got the shower in. And I've started doing all this up above, I just haven't finished yet. But I've got flooring for it, so next I'll put the flooring down so that we can get the vanity and toilet put in, and this room will be getting pretty close to being done. The master bedroom, we got everything painted, but the biggest thing, we got a new ceiling fan. I don't think we had a refrigerator last video.
I think we did.
Okay. And the kitchen, Riley's got all the cabinets painted. I just put the faucet in. We got all the lights put in the kitchen. There was only 2, and Randy added 2 more so that we can cut. Yeah. You can cut it. We also got, well, pretty much all the lights in the house are changed now. All the paintings, I think, done.
Yeah, I think so. I have to touch up a few places, but we got a extra large ceiling fan here in the living room, so it's pushing air pretty much through this whole main living area. And new light fixture up there, but the glass isn't in it, so it looks kind of ugly right now.
Pretty much back here, the only thing different is everything's painted.
Besides the trim.
Yeah.
We're a little, I don't know.
I'm in the trim, I've got some of this back here back up. Some of it got thrown away because it was damaged, so I'm just trying to piece back together what I can. But yeah, otherwise it's just painted back here. This bathroom, we just got to get the flooring put in so we can reset the toilet, and then there's really not a lot left in this one to do besides clean. And again, more paint and new ceiling fan.
Another update outside is we got all the shutters painted and put back up on the house. They look super nice, and it really breaks up all of the white that we had going on. So I'm still gonna paint the front door at some point, but we also got a new light fixture up by the front door, and I came over, I don't know, sometime last week, and the glass globe was broken on the ground. So that's lovely. The other house came with this AC unit here, and we had somebody come and hook it all up, make sure everything was good to go and working, and it don't work, so we have to buy a new one. We also had the gas line tested, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, and every connection pretty much is leaking, so the guys have to take all that apart and do whatever they're going to do there. But yeah, this all happened yesterday. So it kind of just felt like we were getting super close, and like in the next 2 weeks we could move in, and then it was just like bam, no, not happening. But the only thing we need is air conditioning since it is summer, but there's ways around that. So we're just trying to get things taken care of, and we're very close, super close. So yeah, Cole's gonna start on the bathroom flooring and hopefully get that done this week. Today is June 18th and we've been doing a little work over here at the house. So I got the master closet all painted. So I think that is the final room that needed to be, well, to have the walls painted. So all of this stuff that's still the original fake wood color, we're gonna deal with that later. It's not top priority on the list. We may end up just replacing it all. We don't know for sure. We're gonna live with it for a little while and see what happens. But the master bathroom in here is just ready for flooring. I got it all swept up and cleaned for Cole, so he can do that hopefully this week. And what else around here? We got a lot of stuff just picked up in general. All the demolition, whatever, however you say it, tools are gone. So those are out of the way, and we just have a lot of trash that needs to go in the trash. It's just back to looking so big and so nice. So much cleaning that has to be done. Get all the sheetrock dust out and just all the work stuff out of here. I think the white trim around the windows looks really nice. I ended up painting all that white and painting the, I don't know what you call this, but the inner trim there white too. And I think it just looks so good, having the white windows. And so one of my next steps is going to be getting all these darn stickers off of here. I hope they'll come off easily, but they've been on for however old this house is. So like 18 some years, but we're just gonna work on getting all this stuff picked up, out of the way, cleaning these floors, getting all the nails out from the previous carpet and flooring, and then Cole can put the next flooring in. We are super, super close. I know we've been saying that for a couple weeks now, but once we got all this extra stuff out of here, it just felt like we couldn't do any work in here because there's so much stuff. You have to like move something every time you want to do something else in another room. So we got all that stuff out of there. It's just a matter of time. We just have to get the carpet, get this really, really cleaned up, all the dirt and dust out of here, and it's a game on. We can put the flooring in and move in. So all the big painting projects are done. Pretty much all the lights are up except for above the vanities in the bathroom, but I had to finish up a little painting around the electrical boxes there. But we're there, we're almost there. Today is June 23rd and all of the kitchen flooring is done. And the laundry area is finished, and so is the entryway by the front door. Bathrooms are all up and ready to go, and just have to finish some caulking and trim work in those areas. So let's take a look. So here's the kitchen flooring. Goes all the way through the laundry area, all through the kitchen, out enough for bar stools. And there is matching right there in the entryway by the front door. Vanity is in, faucet works, okay, lights work, just need to put up the mirror, got more light bulbs coming. It's coming together. Toilet works. I got all my cabinet pulls in the mail, and I even like measured them and everything. They still don't fit. So this is what they look like. just modern black square. And I measured hole to hole, and still I did something wrong, or I don't know what happened, but so I ended up filling in, I was like, I want to send it back. So I ended up filling in the bottom hole on the cabinets, which there isn't that many to do, so that's nice. But I filled them in, and I'm gonna sand them down today. We're gonna drill the new holes for these, and then we're gonna fix that. We're gonna paint over the old holes, so.